In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record credit card payments in QuickBooks Online. This process might seem a bit daunting at first, but by following along, you'll be able to handle it with ease. Let's dive right in. First, in order to begin recording your credit card payments, go ahead and click on Sign In. Once you've done that, you'll need to choose the option for QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is an intuitive platform designed to make managing your finances easier, and you'll find that its interface is user-friendly. After selecting QuickBooks Online, it's time to enter your credentials. This includes your username and password. Ensuring these are correct is crucial, as they grant you access to your financial data and tools needed to proceed with recording your transactions. After entering your credentials, select Continue. Next, navigate to the Transactions section. This is where all your financial activities are logged and managed, making it a central hub for viewing and organizing your information. Within this section, locate and click on Bank Transactions. This choice is essential as it helps you track and categorize all transactions linked to your bank accounts, including credit card payments. This step will streamline the process for you, ensuring everything is in its proper place. Now look for the Link Account drop-down. This feature allows you to connect and manage various accounts seamlessly within QuickBooks. By selecting this drop-down, you'll see an option labeled Upload from File. Click on this. The capability to upload from file is particularly helpful if you prefer to manually manage or transfer data from another software or your own records. Manually uploading your transactions is what you'll want to do next. This involves selecting transaction files directly from your computer to ensure that everything is updated accurately in QuickBooks. You'll browse for the specific file on your computer. Make sure that this file contains the relevant transactions you wish to record, as selecting the correct file is pivotal to maintaining accurate financial records. After you have located the correct file, click on Continue. You'll be guided through the process of importing your credit card transactions. QuickBooks often offers prompts or instructions along the way, which can help clarify or confirm that everything is proceeding correctly. Once the upload is complete, your transactions will be successfully incorporated into your QuickBooks account, and from there you can organize, analyze, or reconcile your credit card payments as needed. And that's it. By now you should have all your credit card payments carefully recorded in your QuickBooks Online account. It's a straightforward process once you get the hang of it. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more how-to guides and helpful tips on managing your financial records with ease.